Yeah, so I'm super excited, of course, to have it in Vienna, in my hometown. So this whole experience of Intersection is also about this culture and art. Yeah? That's what Intersection is also about. And it's also about bringing people together from various disciplines. And art and beauty is the way to do that. So that's one thing of Intersection. So that's very special. And I think we managed to have this group of people again, this group of curious people, thinkers, open thinkers that are permeable for new ideas.
And this year's theme, sustainability, why did you choose that as a theme?
So a lot of our community members are professional enterprise designers, you could say, right? And so we see that this is an increasing demand. So in the past 10 years, we had a lot of digitalization, and we see more and more, we want to make green products, or we want to actually take the sustainable development goals into our own goal portfolio, or we want to build new capabilities, new processes that are more aligned with green practices or circular economy practices. So we kind of felt it's on time, given also what the world is talking about, to tackle this topic from an enterprise design perspective.
And what do you hope you will take away?
For me, Intersection Conference is more of a learning experience. It's not about teaching everybody everything. It's always blowing up my mind how many different perspectives we can have on this topic. So it's a never-ending learning journey. And maybe one of my major learnings this year is how important it is to connect this higher-level enterprise design with the reality of software development, to make it vertical.
What about you, Milan? What are you taking away?
Like Wolfgang said, a rich diversity of topics and approaches and perspectives. Also, it's actually coming together. So we now have EDGY. It's a shared language for designing better enterprises, and it's starting to get used across all sorts of different practices and in all sorts of different projects and initiatives. And we are very happy to see that, because that's what we set out with Intersection Group, is to build these bridges so that people can actually talk to each other, understand each other, work together better, and create better enterprises together.
And QualiWare has got a booth at the conference. What are we showcasing there?
Well, first of all, we've decided to, after having worked with Intersection Group for a while, to implement support for the EDGY language in the QualiWare toolset. And the QualiWare toolset is originally an enterprise architecture toolset, and we feel that the EDGY language will provide the enterprise architecture customers we have already with the new opportunity to communicate with a different audience, basically. The EDGY language is quite unique in its ability to communicate simple pictures and thoughts to a higher level audience. And with this in mind, we feel that that's something that is missing out on traditional enterprise architectures models and methodologies. I also think that we are here to get feedback, basically. You know, there's a lot of enterprise designers. We don't know enough about enterprise design in QualiWare. So when they see the tool, when we hear what they're talking about, then we can adjust the features so that, you know, we will hit the audience as expected.
Thank you so much.